Hello, greetings everybody. Welcome to my video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will discuss equations involving indices and solve some examples relating to these concepts. In general, if an equation involves indices that have the same basis, then we can conclude that their exponents or their powers are the same. That is, if a exponent s is equal to a exponent y, then we can conclude that s is equal to y. That is, if the bases are the same, the base for the left hand side and the right hand side are the same, then it implies that their exponents are also the same. So using this concept, we solve some examples. Example 1. If 3 exponent y is equal to 243, we have to find the value of y. So let's look at the solution. Now the idea is that you always make sure that the base for the left hand side and right hand side are the same, and then you equate the exponents and simplify further. So in this problem, the left hand side we have 3 exponent y, and the right hand side we have 243. So we will write as 3 exponent y is equal to the 243 can be written as 3 raised to the power 5. And now the bases are the same. The left hand side has base 3, the right hand side also has base 3. So hence, or therefore, y is equal to 5. So the value of y is 5. Example 2. If 2 raised to the power m minus 2 is equal to 32, find the value of m. Solution. So again, you make sure that the right hand side will also have base 2, since the left hand side has base 2, that is 2 raised to the power m minus 2. So you write as 2 raised to the power m minus 2 is equal to the 35 is the same as 2 raised to the power 5. Now we see that the bases are the same. Both left hand side and right hand side has base 2. So hence we write that m minus 2 is equal to 5. And we simplify to find m. We add positive 2 to both sides. Thus we have m is equal to 5 plus 2. M is equal to 7. Example 3. Given that 25 raised to the power s is equal to 1, find s. So we have 25 raised to the power s is equal to 1. We make sure that both left hand side and right hand side has the same base. That is, the base here is 25. So what we take note that this one here is the same. Okay, is the same as 25 raised to the power 0. Is 25 raised to the power is 0. And we are choosing 25 raised to the power 0 because 25 because the left hand side has a base of 25. Hence we write as 25 raised to the power s equal to 25 raised to the power 0. And therefore we can write s is equal to 0. So our answer is 0. That is, s is 0. Example 4. If 2 raised to the power minus n is equal to s, find 2 raised to the power n plus 1. We are given 2 raised to the power minus n is equal to s. So the idea is that for the left hand side, using the negative exponents of indices, okay, the negative law of indices, we can write the left hand side as 1 over 2 raised to the power n is equal to s. So first of all, we will try to make 2 raised to the power n the subject. So let's do that one. We write 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power n times s, and this will give us 2 raised to the power n is equal to 1 over s. Now we take note that we want to find 2 raised to the power n plus 1, and what we have here is 2 raised to the power n is equal to 1 over s. So we take note that 2 raised to the power n plus 1 is the same as 2 raised to the power n times 2. That is, using our first law of indices, 2 raised to the power n plus 1 is the same as 2 raised to the power n times 2 times 2. Let's know that 2 is the same as 2 raised to the power 1. So to achieve our results, we multiply 2 by both left hand side and right hand side of the equation here, so that we have 2 raised to the power n times 2 is equal to 1 over s times 2. Note that it's an equation, so if you do anything to the left hand side, you have to also do the same thing to the right hand side. So this will give us 2 raised to the power n plus 1 is equal to 1 over s times 2 is same as 2 raised to the power s. Therefore, 2 raised to the power n plus 1 is equal to 2 over s. So this is our answer. Example 5. If 2 raised to the power s minus 2 times 8 raised to the power s is equal to 1, find the value of s. Solution. That's 2 raised to the power s minus 2 times 8 raised to the power s is equal to 1. So we make sure that both left hand side and right hand side has the same base. So we write our first expression here as 2 raised to the power s minus 2 times 8 is the same as 2 raised to the power 3. So we put 8 in the bracket, or exponent s is equal to, taking out 1 can be written as 2 raised to the power 0. And we are choosing 2 because the left hand side has basis of 2. So we write this one as 2 raised to the power s minus 2 times 2 raised to the power 3s. Here 3 will multiply s, so we have 3s, and it's equal to 2 raised to the power 0. Now for the left hand side, using our laws of indices, the product rule of indices, we will add the exponents, okay, because we are multiplying here. So this will give us 2 raised to the power s minus 2 plus 3s is equal to 2 raised to the power 0. So we have 2 raised to the power s plus 3s minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 0, which gives us 2 raised to the power 4s minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 0. Now you see that the bases here are the same, hence we can equate the exponents. Okay, so we have 4s minus 2 is equal to 0. So it's simple to find the value of s. Thus we have 4s is equal to positive 2. S is equal to 2 over 4. That is divided both sides by 4. So we have therefore s is equal to 1 over 2. That is 2 over 4 is same as 1 over 2. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.